my channel. My name is Ivy Francis, and you know what? I'm so happy to have you here on this channel. Thank you so much for joining me once again. So right now I just finished washing my hair with my black soap shampoo, and I did a rice mask for my hair. You know, rice is actually very good, and I actually showed you how to use rice for your hair. So today I used the rice mask, and I just finished washing my hair. You could see how the hair is actually looking like. I really love the process, so that's why I have to come and share this with you. So if you are new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and I urge you that you're gonna try this out. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do hit the subscribe button and the bell that is just right beside it, because that is the only way you always be notified anytime a new video like this drops in this channel. And if you have further questions, or as you're going to watch the video you see that there are things that I did not cover or I did not explain, you can actually drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'm going to attend to it ASAP, you know, that kind of a thing. In this plate I have this organic rice. It is 100% organic. It is the Nigerian rice. I'm going with this rice because I believe it is not over processed like the rest of the rice in the market. In case you don't know, rice is not only for eating, it's not only for the jollof rice, the rice and stew and all that stuff. Rice is actually very good for the hair as well. And the Yao women that are found in China, in part of China and other parts of the Middle East, actually use this rice water to wash their hair for a healthier and a shinier hair growth, and they have one of the most longest hair in the world. So today your girl is going to be cooking the rice and using it as a deep conditioner for her hair. What I have here is ginger. I haven't washed my hair in a while, and every now and then I find myself putting my hand and scratching and the rest of them, so I'm going to be adding ginger to take care of the itchy scalp, dandruff, because ginger contains a good amount of antiseptic properties that is actually very, very essential for the hair. Wash the rice. Let's see. So to make sure that you pick things like this, turn it into a sieve and wash it up, because in most cases they usually sand in the rice, and you wouldn't want to put sand in your hair. Okay, so I didn't actually add all, so this is what I have left. I just felt that what I have in here already is enough. My blender cup and my Moringa powder, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep this. Recently I don't really like, if I have to do something concerning my hair, I usually add the Moringa powder to it, so I'm gonna be adding 2 full teaspoons of the Moringa powder. Okay, I see what I just discovered. Okay, it's actually greenier inside, so I'm just gonna add this. I'm gonna mix this very well and allow it to settle. Then when my rice is done, we're gonna continue with the rest of the process. Okay, allow your rice to cool before you actually blend it. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this away, and I have this giant blender cup that I'll be using to blend everything together. I have 1 cup of the Moringa juice that I actually soaked earlier, so I'm gonna strain this because it's the juice that I'll be using to blend my rice. So once I have this one, I'll just transfer them into this cup, and I can use it for my body scrub, I can use it for my facial scrub. I don't throw any one away, so I just transfer them This, I'm gonna add my moringa juice to the rice that I already made, and I'm gonna be adding half a quarter cup, like 31 ml of honey to this. Honey is very good for the hair. It helps strengthen the hair and makes it avoid breakage. A little more of this honey to this, a little, yeah, you can see. So that's what I'm adding. Feel free to be creative and add yours other things as well. Then next I'm gonna go in with the coconut oil. If you don't have the coconut oil, or your hair doesn't like the coconut oil, feel free to add any oil of your choice. You could add the castor oil, you could add the shea butter and other things as well. Okay, I'm just adding like a cup of the coconut oil. I also have here shea butter in the rawest form. I just guess that English is correct because my hair loves shea butter, so I'm just gonna add shea butter to it. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend everything together, but that's not all. I'll strengthen my hair, and I'm just gonna break this, separate it, yeah, and put the shell away, obviously. Then add it to my rice. Everything, I'm gonna add everything to it. Then I'm gonna go blend it. So after blending everything together, this is what I have. You can see how, ooh, yeah, it's like avocado, and you could see the texture is actually very, very soft, yummy and creamy. So after dividing my hair into sections, I'm gonna go in with the rice mask that I did. Okay, it's actually still very warm, which is actually very good for my hair. So it's actually like an indirect heat that I'm applying to the hair. So gently massage it on your scalp. Okay. Then I'm going to be using my hand and the comb to detangle the hair. Let it go right in. So after applying everything on my hair, I'm just gonna gently cover those areas that I think the product might not have gotten to, and gently use my hands to massage it, you know. Massage my scalp. This is how my fingers is. I'm not actually using my nails, so I'm actually using my fingers here like this to massage it in a circular motion. So you can see that here is not covered, so I'm going to cover that part as well. Okay. Okay, so now that my hair is properly sealed, I'll go ahead with my domestic work, and after 1 hour I'm gonna come and wash it off. Okay, time for me to take this off, so I just have to show you all of this so that you know that this is not actually like an easy process. But I think next time what I'm going to do is to use the shower cap before I use this. Well, my hair is already warm and it's time for me to wash it out. Shampoo. I actually made this shampoo. I showed you to make the shampoo. You can actually check my channel. I have a video of it on my channel. So I'm going to be using this to wash my hair. Okay, I'm just gonna pour this on my hair. I'm going to close the shower curtain, go ahead and have my bath, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so bye. Yeah. Oh my god, watching this video up to this particular point, and I do hope you enjoyed the process, and I'm just gonna be waiting in the comment section down below for your comments and other things that you think I did not cover in this video. I'm going to be leaving the benefits of rice and other ingredients that I use in the description box down below, so kindly do check that out. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to click the subscribe button and the bell that is just right beside it. That is the only way you will not miss my content anytime I upload, because I upload new videos daily.